think we can do a little more talking while we play slots. And we got the jams bumping here because it's the winter special. Alright, so here's a neat thing that you... Oh, we got a bonus. We got a bonus here. Let's collect some. Let's collect the free money, guys. Okay, so here's a neat thing you can actually do on the Wynn Slots here. You can actually do a battle mode. So what we do is you go to battle mode over here. And then you pick your slot. Actually, here, let's see. What slot should we pick here?
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
I'm going to let you guys pick a slot once we're here. What slot? What slot? Kind of want the elephant graveyard over here, but I don't actually know. Alright, we're doing the lions. We're doing lion kill. Lion kill it is. Boom. Let's go, lion kill. Alright, we'll put 1 million through. Let's find a good game. And we're battling Matt today. Okay, I don't know who Matt is, but we're going to battle him. And we're going to beat him. Okay, so the secret to the Wynn Slots in playing it is you got to let it do the auto spin by itself. Like, whoever seems to spin slowest seems to win, except for this guy, for whatever reason. He's playing a different game, though. We didn't get the autos. He's playing the same speed as me. Man, he's killing us, guys. I'm sorry, he's killing us. Man, we're getting slaughtered here. He got a big win. That's 800,000. I can't come back from that. Oh, wait. Oh, big win. Big win. We're back in the race, guys. We're back in the race now. Let's get it. We'll drink to it. These lions getting the kill over here. Lion King coming back. Let's be the real Lion Kings here. So that's actually kind of what Broly felt like. It felt like evil Lion King. It was funny. Had a good time with it. You guys got to check out that movie, the Dragon Ball Z movie, if you haven't already checked it out. Definitely check it out. Ooh. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night. It was a long night. Here we go. We're back online. I think we won. That was 157,000. Alright, yeah, this guy's kind of speeding along right now, so I think we might have a chance to catch up if we just play it nice and slow. Because we're only 200,000 behind right now. And I think we can win. Yep, there we go. We got a wild, so that helps us. I'm not sure if he's going to finish it. I'm not sure how he's going to finish, if he's going to get a full 1 million to finish. See, I thought we were going to get that other lion, too, though. That's not fair. I know, I can never read slots. If we get 200,000 more in the next 7 spins, we've got this. Dang. I'd really love to see some free spins here, because he rushed his last few spins. Come on, guys. Power the Eckies. Alright, yeah. Okay, we're only 100,000 away. I think we can do this, guys. 4 more spins. 4 more spins. We can make it. We can make it. We are the underdogs, underlions here. I believe in us. I believe in the power of us. There we go. Oh! Oh! We took it! We took it, boys! GG. GG. 400,000. One shot. This is a victory lap. This is a victory lap right here. One more. One more. Just to rub it in. Oh, we didn't win anything on that last one. But yes! Slow and steady wins the race. Good game. Good game. We won 2 million on that. We won 2 million in that battle. That was great. That was great. I will rate you later when I finish my review. Alright. Cool, let's go piss it all away in the slot machine. Actually, you know what? Let's do one more battle. Let's do one more battle. I'm going to pick one this time. Let's do the princess. We're going to do the princess. That sounds so bad. I didn't hear that. Y'all didn't hear that. That was my bad. That's not what I meant. Royal romance. There's just no good way to say that. And we're battling Dave. Dave, who's not here, man. Oh. Dave is smoking us, guys. He's smoking us already. These damn 5 reel games. Ah, see. I shouldn't have done this one. I got greedy. I got greedy, boys. Darn. Oh, okay. We got a little something coming back. That little royal romance there. We're about down by 300,000 though. I'm not sure if we can make it up in 15. Man, eyelashes are getting in my eyes. We can make it, guys. I think we can do it. I think we can win this. Oh, that would have been such a bad bonus right there. That would have been great if that was just a horse. Okay, cool. We got a little something. We're not done yet. We can still get a big one within 12 spins. It's possible. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right. And just like that, we're back in it. We're back in it. Oh, did we win? Just like that, we win the game. That's back-to-back wins, guys. That's back-to-back wins. I can't believe we got that. I'm trying to remember my record. I think my record's actually 61%. I'm actually one of the better. Apparently, I'm one of the best players on this. Oh shoot, that would have been great. I don't know how you can be good at slots. It just comes up. It just comes up the way it does. See, there we go. We got that good one. So we won this one. So in addition to the 2 million, or we wagered 2 million, we won 2 million last time, 2,200,000. We got another million, or 1.1 million that we're getting back. So we put up 2 million, we got all it back, and then got some more. So it's actually a very profitable session here, guys. I'm not sure if we should do the three-peat though. Alright, let me know in the comment section if you guys think we should try for a three-peat, or if we should just retire with 2 rings here. And then just play the regular slots. Retire with 2 rings and play regular slots and talk more Broly. Or talk more comic stuff. I really like talking comic stuff and all that, but I also want to talk, talk blackjack and all that too. I don't know. We're doing good, though. We're doing really good. You guys have been very good luck today. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Got Princess Peach over here taking care of us. Got another million. So there's our million that we wagered. We got that back, and then we get their 500,000. Because we beat them. We beat down Dave, boys. We should do 3 out of 5. Alright, you know what? We're going to do 3 out of 5. Let's make it happen. Deathpool will be like 3 out of 5, fam. We gave it to him. Alright, we're going to take it. That's great. Alright. Oh, dude, you gotta see that DBZ movie. You gotta see the DBZ movie. Alright, let's do the... I think we should do the mammoth one. Or should we do mammoths or dragons? Let me see. I'm gonna ask the chat. I'm gonna ask in the chat right now. Alright. Rock the dragon, boys. Rock the dragon. Oh, Brian's back for round 2. What? Tree of gold. I think this bad boy's a 6 reel. Yes. Yes. And then 5 out of 7. That'd be 4 out of 7, fam. Alright. We're gonna see how the dragon does against the mammoth. We still ended up doing dragon versus mammoth. Oh. Mammoth is killing us. I need to rock the dragon. No, they had it in theaters, actually. They had it in theaters. I think it's on Crunchyroll. I think I should only communicate via the chat. I know there's a little bit of a delay. Starting to think that. Man, this guy's ahead. Oh, we're just not hitting anything today, guys. I'm sorry. I thought we'd hit something. Wendy's in the other room. You guys should call her over and see if she can give us some good luck. I think if we get 5 people to do it, she'd probably do it, but there's only 2 people in chat right now, so we probably can't do that. I know. I'll probably post this on YouTube later too, so in the comment section below, you guys should tell me if we should get Wendy to go ahead and stream with us too. See if she'll bring us some better luck, because I just burned out on this one. Oh, Crunchyroll. Sorry, I misspelled that. It's like Hulu, really. Okay, let's see. How close are we? We're not even close. He's got us beat by like 200,000. He's gonna sweep. Yeah, I haven't gotten jack. This is nothing like the regular game. This is so bad. See, none of this stuff wants to match up. We got all these dragons. These dragons don't want to rock for us, guys. I'm sorry. And when he got that big million chip win, yeah, I can't match that. I can't match that, guys. I'm sorry. We lost. We lost. We lost $1 million. See, that was all right. That was a little something. We still lost 10-1. Unless we get a ginormous win. Alright, that was a good one, but that's not ginormous. Unless we get those bonus trips and we get those free spins very last second. There's only one more shot. We got one more shot, guys. Heart of the reels, guide us. Heart of the reels, come on. Hey, nothing. We lost. Alright, Brian, good game, man. Honey, Dev would very much like you to have a Corona and join us.
What?
Dev would very much like you to have a Corona and join us on stream.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
That's nice.
You're not gonna join us on stream?
I appreciate it.
Okay. She appreciates it, bro. She's not in today. We'll go ahead and try another day. I think we can talk her into it another day, but not today. Today's been a big day. Had the kids' birthday parties today, so, well, sort of. Just had my nieces, our daughters got canceled and all that, so I was talking to her mom about that, and, there's all this weather and all, so we're going to go ahead and try for it, next week, so we're going to mix it up a little bit more. Shoot, yeah, well, I mean, 2 out of 3 we still won. We still did good. 2 out of 3 we won. I'm going to bring it back to the Royal Romance, though. I think we can win it. I think we can win Royal Romance. Jody looks... Oh, that's a scary profile picture. I don't think that's actually her. I think that's a cartoon or something like that. Yeah, it's very clearly like a cartoon clown or something crazy. Alright, let's see if we can get that 3. I very much like to win one of these. Very much like to win one of these. Alright, we got something. It's better than nothing, but we got something. Honey, you've been told that you can't disappoint the Justice League. You've been told that you can't disappoint the Justice League. You gotta join.
You guys will be alright.
I guess it's a solo mission. I guess we're doing a solo mission. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I can't believe we're still winning right now. Barely. We're barely still. Oh, see, we just lost. He just beat us. She just beat us. I think it's Jody. Usually a young lady's name, Jody. Oh no, we got a little comeback coming. All right, we're evening out the playing field. We got to fill up this potion over here, because the trick I learned is if you keep playing this one, it'll keep going. Oh, it doesn't wanna. Why doesn't it wanna stop the reels? Is it gonna stop the reels? Oh man, why is it doing this? Oh god, I think we're in a loop, guys. I think we're stuck in a loop. Oh, slag. Dang. All right, it stuck us in a loop for some reason. I was hoping to get some of those wilds. Oh, boom. GG. Good game. That's 3 out of 5. That's 3. I know, Marvel versus DC slots would be great. I know I've seen some Wonder Woman slots in the actual casino. I know I've seen some real ones in the actual casino, and I thought they were pretty cool. I think next time I go to Vegas, shooting for a trip in April, I'm gonna actually live stream those in real life, so that'll be pretty dope. He should have been a wild. This guy should have been a wild. I'm not sure I pointed at the screen like you guys could see. There we go. See, this is more like it. This is how it should have been. Jody's probably furious with me because I'm not like just ending the game right now, but I kind of want to see if I can get some more good stuff. I'm gonna hit good game here because I think it was a good game. I really just kind of want to see if I can get a bigger win just to, you know, kind of balance out the losses that we had. There we go. We got some aces on the wilds, so that's good. Yeah, because we put in $1 million on this one, and I'd rather take out as close to $1 million as we can. I think I'd very much like to go to a slot tournament, like a real-life slot tournament, and just do that. I think I might go ahead and see if I can get a reward for that. I think you can get one at Luxor. All right, that's another one, guys. That's that. That's three out of 5. We beat him down. We just knocked him right out. That's 3 games out of 4. So we don't need to play the 5th. I think that's GG.